Are you ready? Get your balance. Get your balance. Okay. Show everybody what you got. You gonna come see your mama? Come here. 1, 2, 3. Big steps. Go. Come here, you handsome. Oh my goodness, look at that mover and shaker. We have a walker, a second walker in our house. Good job, handsome. And we're very excited about it. He started walking for Tim, and now, I mean, he can just go. He still crawls most of the time, but as you guys can see, he's mastered the technique. So, okay, hon. So, Josh, how does it feel to be a 2-footer? Huh? How's it feel to be on 2 instead of 4? God bless you, John. Okay, well, we'll end the video update for now because we apparently have a lot going on in the house today. So, just wanted to share our great news with you guys. We were hoping to have him walking by Halloween, and it looks like it's going to be that way. So, can you take this out? Give me that. You show everybody those chompers. Say, I did it. I did it. I'll talk to you guys when it's time for my 10-month update. Okay, well, until then, we'll sign off for now. We love you guys.